Hi lads and lasses, welcome back to the workshop here at Outlaw Guitars with me Rob. Okay, we have a headstock slightly carved now. We've got the body up to 240 grit. We have the neck pocket routed, just that extra mil that it was needing after sanding and stuff. What we've still got to do? Well, we've still to fret it, we've still to radius the fretboard, we've still to repair that wee bit in the fretboard, that wee, well I actually chipped it when I was doing it Crimson, when I was making it, it chipped out for the router, just a bit, chipped it. Then I managed to find a wee bit of that because the guy said we'd already been in the bin and took it all the wood away and burnt it, but I managed to find a wee bit of marble wood and I brought it up the road with me and I've lost it. It might have accidentally got thrown out, which is possible. Well, I think that's the only reason that I can't find it. But I've got another marble wood fretboard in there, so I'm going to use some of that for a donor, for that wee bit of chip. And by the time I've done it, nobody's got to know it was there. What else? Oh yeah, I need to make another cavity control cover. Loads to do yet before we get anywhere near a finished guitar. And yeah, while I'm at the sander, I might as well change the grit on this spindle and we'll do the outside of the body as well. Might as well do that while I'm at the sander just now. Well, we're doing it anyway. I've changed the grit on the spindle while I'm over here at the sander, and I might as well do the outsides of the body here while I'm at it. I hope the bag over the window is kind of like made it alright so you can see what I'm doing. But it is what it is. So let's go on with it. Right, I'm going to put a wee round over on the front and back of the guitar because it's just sharp corners it's on it just now. And any finish that we're going to put on it just won't adhere to the corners if it's as sharp as that. So we'll put a wee round over on, and I'll start off small, see what it acts like, and if that's okay we'll leave it at that. If not, I'll just make it slightly bigger, but it won't be a huge round over. Let's go on with it. First, I'll remember the glasses this time. There we go. Yeah, it's supposed to be a round over, but it feels more like a chamfer, because there's still a sharp edge there. So that's all going to have to get sanded behind anyway. So I'm just wondering if it'd be as well just doing it behind. Because as I say, that feels more like a chamfer than a round over. And there's wee jaggy bits there, you know, where the grain stops and that. Yeah, I'll give it the round over on this side and that side, and I think I'll be doing it behind. No, we'll do the round over. We'll do the round over front and back, and I think we'll just finish it behind, because as I say, I don't want to make it too big. I might try a slightly bigger one on the back, see how that turns out, and maybe do that in the front again. I don't know, but I've got to finish the front anyway, so we'll see what we can do. But I've got to finish the front anyway, we'll see what it looks like after that. I don't know if you can see that, right, but even the round over is still quite sharp just there. You can see an edge on it. So I think I'll need to finish that off behind. Was it worth it, or would you have been better doing it just behind to start with? I don't know. But there's a round over on it. I think we'll try a slightly bigger one on the rear. And we'll see what that results in. That looks better, doesn't it? Looks like I'll be doing that in the front and all. I mean, obviously, with everything you're going to have to finish it by hand anyway, but I still, yeah, I'm going to make it that size at the front as well. Mine's made up, that's what's happening. Yeah, had to be done, didn't it? But, like I say, that's just a round over. Everything's got to be finished by hand anyway. But I think the slightly larger one, even on the front, was the way to go, once you see it, you know. Yeah, happy enough with that. Now we just need to refine it a wee bit, as I say, all hand sanding. Well, I mean, I've got to take it up to 320 and 400, but I mean, like, the round over and all that has got to be finished by hand. You can't put that through the sander or anything like that. That's all got to be done by hand. But we have the shape, and I just and as you can see, with the body having that kind of size round over, it's going to go with the headstock better as well. So we're starting to see how things are going to look on it now. It's taking shape, it's coming together, and yeah. I think that'll be the end of this video. Do all that shite down below. Thumbs up, share, subscribe, whatever. Or don't. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks again for watching. Cheers. Bye.